So you're thinking about renting out your property on site like an Airbnb or VRBO, and you'd like some insider's perspective on the pros and cons? Well, I've got ya. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and with the increase in people staying in a short-term lease for vacations and business trips, this might be the right opportunity for you. Now, in owning both long-term and short-term lease properties personally, here's a couple pros and cons to keep in mind. First, there's flexibility. You can rent it out when you want to or choose to enjoy it yourself. There's also a high rental income, so for a property perhaps you would rent per month for $2,000, you may be able to rent that for one vacation week for the same price. Now, there's numerous tax breaks and deductions, but you will want to talk to your accountant about those. Lastly, guests are typically there less than a week, so a professional cleaning after each stay, plus the opportunity for any repairs needed, really helps the property stay in better condition than potentially a long-term renter would. Okay, the cons are there's inconsistent income, especially in the off seasons. You're responsible for all the utility bills, housekeeping, and general maintenance. And in some counties and cities, they do require additional paperwork and even neighbors consenting to allow you to have a short-term lease. Want to discuss more about your possible investment company in this area? What rental rates would vary for long-term and short-term? The best way to get started is to reach out today, 913-449-1950, and subscribe for more information on home tips as well as Kansas City neighborhoods and Kansas City adventures.